Today we will see our next topic, local inner class. A local inner class, we can write a local inner class in a method, okay, inside a method like a local variable. Local inner class is declared inside a method of the outer class. It can access local members of the outer class. The scope of the local inner class is restricted to the method itself in which it is declared. So, it cannot be accessed outside the method, but a simple inner class can be accessed by all the methods of that class. हा जो लोकल इनर क्लास असतो हा क्लास मधल्या मेथड मध्ये डिक्लेअर करायचा आहे. ओके, लेट अस सी द प्रोग्राम ऑफ द लोकल इनर क्लास. First of all, I will change the font. Okay, it will take some time. See here, program to demonstrate. The local inner class outer, and inside the outer class there is one method called as public void show, for example. Now I have told you that local inner class is a class defined inside a method of the outer class. Okay, now this is method of the outer class, so we will define the inner class inside this method. Okay, class inner. Again, this inner class has one method, public void show. There are two show methods. One show method is of the outer class and the inner class is also having the show method. Just display one message, public system.out.println I am local inner class. Okay, and also display one message in the outer class show method. See here, I am outer class. Okay, write down am here. See the structure, outer class, it has one show method. The show method has just display one statement, I am outer class. It has a one inner class called as class inner, and again inner class has method show. You can give the method name same as the outer class, no matter. Now create an object of the inner class inside the outer class method. See here, inner object ob is equal to new inner. Okay, and call the method show. Now when we call the method ob.show, obviously the inner class method show is called. Here the code completes. Now let us write the main class. As my program name is test local, so main class name should be test local. Write down public static void main, then string args, that is command line arguments. Now create object of the outer class. Okay, outer ob is equal to new outer. Though the names are same, but it will refer to the object class show method. Sorry, outer class show method, ob.show. When we write this statement ob.show, or when the statement will be executed, it will call show method of the outer class. Then the message will be displayed, I am outer class. Then after that, this code will be skipped. We will directly jump to the inner object. Inner ob is equal to new inner class object is created. Then this statement is executed, ob.show. Control is passed to the show method of the inner class, and the message will be displayed, I am local inner class. Let us compile this program. See here whether there are errors or not. Then we will see the output. समजतंय सगळ्यांना? Control 2. See here, I am outer class. As the outer class method is first called, then I am local inner class. Okay. So this is called as local inner class because it is defined inside the method of the outer class.